Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss the follow-up for describe a uniform that you wore at school. So the first question is, why should students wear uniforms? In my view, students should wear uniforms because they promote a sense of equality. Equality, everybody is same, everybody is equal among everyone in the school. Also, it helps to reduce distractions. Distraction means when you are not able to focus, when your mind is not able to focus on one object. Also, it helps to reduce distractions and allows students to focus more on their studies and less on what others are wearing. The second question is, on what occasion should people wear uniforms? Well, I think people should wear uniforms on special occasions or events where it is important to show unity and belonging to a particular group or organization. For example, during ceremonies, parades, or official gathering. The third question is, should companies ask employees about the design of their uniforms? No. I feel that companies usually have specific guidelines, rules for their uniforms to maintain a professional and consistent appearance. Also, corporations may consider their comfort and functionality when selecting uniforms. Fourth question is, can people tell someone's personality by his or her clothes? No, I don't think so. While clothes can sometimes give hints about a person's personality, it is not always accurate, it is not always correct to judge someone solely based on their attire. Attire is a synonym for clothes. Okay. I feel that personality cannot be fully determined by clothing choices alone. Okay. And the fifth and the last question is, what colors would catch people's attention the most? In my view, bright colors like red, yellow, or orange often tend to draw more attention compared to softer or neutral colors like white. So, this was a follow for describe a uniform that you wore at school. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button